Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my vlog. My name is Viv. If this is your first time on this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Let us stay connected. Okay, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be testing some foundation swatches. I found out that it's generally very difficult to buy foundation online. So on this video, I am going to show you the different foundations I purchased, how I was able to make my decision, the mistakes I made, how they can be corrected, and also moving forward. If you want to purchase your foundation online, you probably want to buy it in another product for the exact same shade, how you can go about getting the exact shade that you need. So stay tuned. I will be trying out products that are not MAC because I use the MAC NW45 foundation. So the first foundation I'm going to be trying out is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Now this foundation is in color 340. I've had this foundation since last year, and I think it's about 32 mil. Well, it is pretty on the expensive side, but then it's Fenty Beauty. And I have the Avour Superstay Full Coverage Matte Base Waterproof Pro Longwear blah 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 foundation, and I have this foundation in color 30. So I will be mixing this foundation up with another foundation to get my exact shade. Now keep in mind that using foundation is like one of the most difficult things ever, like getting your exact shade of foundation. So we did a lot of color correcting and color combination to get my exact shade, which matches the MAC NW45. Also, I'll be using this Adventure Superstay Pro Longwear Full Coverage 100% matte every SPF 30 foundation. So this foundation, I've had this foundation since last year as well, and it doesn't fit, but then guess what, we're going to be trying all that out today. Maybelline Superstay Activewear foundation in 355 coconut. I believe this is my exact shade, but then let's see how that goes. Let's start with the Fenty Beauty in shade 350. So this is the Fenty Beauty foundation. Let's see what that's like. Being short-sighted is such a huge problem. So this is our Fenty Beauty. As you can see, it's definitely too light. Okay, this is too light. It does not match. Imagine spending tens of thousands of naira to buy foundation and it doesn't match. So such a shame, so painful. And then the next I'm going to go in with is the Adventure Superstay in Creamy Vanilla. Okay, so here goes. If you can see this, you would notice that it's definitely lighter, warmer. It's definitely warmer than this. Okay, which also means that it's not my shade. We're going in with the Maybelline Superstay in 355. So you can see this is my exact shade. It's already covering up the spots. By the time we blend, you would see what this would look like. Guys, one of the craziest things happened while I was recording. So my memory just got filled up, and thankfully I had selected things to delete before now, and I just went ahead and emptied my recycle bin. So let's get back to it. Lastly, I am going to be trying the Avour Superstay Full Coverage Matte Base Waterproof Pro Longwear Liquid Foundation with SPF 25. This is the 24-hour foundation according to them. As you can see, this is too dark. Okay, so it's not my color, but then I'm going to use this foundation to mix with either of these foundations to get this foundation. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm just going to start by fetching some of these two, combining the creamy vanilla and the Avour foundation together. And this is what we have, guys. Look at this. Then the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be fetching this Fenty foundation. Because this is a liquid hydrating foundation, I don't think I can mix this with anything else, but then let me try and see what it's like. So guys, these are new swatches and I'm going to test to see if, just gonna add a little color in there. I just want to test to see if this would be the exact same thing as this foundation. Okay, so let's try this. So this is the combination of the Fenty Beauty foundation and the Avour foundation, right? I don't know if it's Avour or Avour. 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 I'm looking for a Nigerian brand that would actually name a foundation after something in Nigeria. So keep in mind that the target of this foundation is to cover up the spots without making me feel look a certain way. That is not working. Well, it did that, but it is not our exact shade. I'm going to use my exact shade on my forehead just to keep things in perspective, okay? So this is my exact shade of foundation. So if you look at this, it's already covering all the scars on my forehead. So we'll keep this here and then we will check this other two. And next I'm going in with the combination of the Adventure foundation in creamy vanilla and the Avour in color 30 on this other side of my face. Ha! It worked. Guys, it really worked though. Okay. Can you see that? Versus this. The Fenty Beauty is a light foundation, so we don't want to do that kind of matching. So let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think about these foundations. Which one would you be trying? And yes, I said I was going to explain how to get your foundation shade. So if you would watch this video now, I would show you how to proceed to find your exact shade of foundation. You start by searching foundation.com on your browser, and then once you open the website, you hit the get started button and you type the name of the brand you're using. I think only popular brands are featured here. Then you type what product of that particular brand you're using. After you're done typing this, you select the product and then you type the color that you are using, the color you're certain of, that is your shade. You'll have to add another match just to make it more accurate. So here I'm typing Maybelline in Superstay, just like we have used in this video, and I have to pick the Superstay product, and then I'm going to type the color of this particular product that I'm certain that is my shade, and then I'll go ahead to find my matches. So once I hit the find my matches, all the products, all the popular products, the international brands, they are going to appear here and you see the exact foundation shade that is yours. So you can check Milani, Lancome, Maybelline, Estee Lauder. So now you can see my actual Fenty Beauty shade is 430 and not 350 like we used in this video. So that is it. This is all the different brands and the colors. You can do the same thing for powders as well. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think. So keep in mind that whenever you're matching your foundation, the color of your face has to be the same as your neck. And this is my neck and shoulders. As you can see, it's the exact same thing, right? So don't forget that whenever you're choosing foundations, what you should keep in mind if you have hyperpigmentation or dark spots is that you may want to get 2 shades darker to be able to cover up the spots, and then you use a lighter concealer, concealer that is your exact light shade, or a shade or 2 lighter to conceal, to contour your face. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but then that is exactly what I did in this video, and I hope you enjoyed the entire tutorial. Okay, see you around. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and do not forget to subscribe. All right, bye.